the Filipino antonyms matalino and hangal. When we say matalino, it means smart, and when we say hangal, it means foolish. Matalino, hangal. Matalino, hangal. Kailangan ng matalinong pagtugon sa problema. It means a clever response to the problem is needed. Kailangan is need, matalino is intelligent or smart, pagtugon is response or an answer, and then a problema is a problem. Kailangan ng matalinong pagtugon sa problema. Huwag kang hangal at makinig ka. Don't be silly and listen. Huwag is don't, hangal is foolish or silly, makinig means to listen, and ka is you, and at here is and. So wag kang hangal at makinig ka. Ang matalinong guro ay may maraming diskarte. A wise teacher has many strategies. Once again, when we say matalino, that means smart or intelligent, and guro is a teacher, and the ng here in the matalinong guro is the connector or the linker, and then guro is teacher. Marami means many, may is has or have, and then a diskarte is a strategy. Ang matalinong guro ay may maraming diskarte. Ang hangal na kilos ay ikinahiya niya. He was ashamed of his or her stupid action. When we say hangal, it means foolish or stupid, and then kilos is an action. Ikinahiya is like it ashamed or shy, and then niya is his or her. Okay, ang hangal na kilos ay ikinahiya niya. And that is all for our Filipino antonyms, matalino, which is smart in English, and hangal, which is foolish. Matalino, hangal. Matalino, hangal.